We'll cover 5 potential fixes to common AirPod charging problems in this video. Charging problems can come up when you use off-brand cords, like the colorful varieties you find at convenience stores or online. While these cords can be cheaper and even look sturdier, they tend to break down more often than standard Apple brand charging cables. Apple charging cables are white and made out of a smooth plastic. One cable comes with every Apple device you buy, including your AirPods. Check the charger and cord to see if they're working properly. Use it to charge another device, like a different set of AirPods or your iPhone. If it works, then you know the charging cable is still functional. Next, plug it into your AirPods charging case and make sure that the connection is tight. If nothing happens, unplug the lightning end of the cable, the part that plugs into the charging case, flip it over, and plug it back in. Also check that the wall adapter is securely plugged into the wall outlet or power strip. If these other fixes don't work, you may actually have a faulty wall outlet. Check that your wall outlet is in working order. Test the outlet with a device that usually charges normally. If it's still charging, you know the outlet is working. You should also try plugging your device and cable into another outlet, ideally in another room or on another power strip. If it works, then the problem was your old wall outlet. First, make sure that you're using a version of the AirPods that support wireless charging, either the 2nd generation AirPods or AirPods Pro. Also, remember that your AirPods still need to be in their charging case, and that the case needs to be placed on the wireless charging mat with the status light facing up. The status light should illuminate for several seconds, then shut off while charging. If the light never appears, you may need to fidget with the case's location on the pad. If your case still won't charge, try using the Lightning or USB cable that came with your case instead. To verify the charging status of the AirPod case, slip your AirPods into the charging case and make sure to shut the lid. Then, with a working charger and outlet, charge both your AirPods and case for a minimum of 15 minutes. Leaving your AirPods inside, check the charge status by opening the lid and hovering the case close to your iOS device. You should see an image of your AirPods and charging case appear at the bottom of the screen with charging icons next to them.